Carlo Gavazzi has been designing and manufacturing electronic equipment for industrial automation, energy, and building automation for over 90 years. Their sensors, solid-state relays, energy meters, monitoring relays, soft starters, timers, and safety devices provide automation solutions for a comprehensive range of industrial and building automation applications found in energy and building efficiency, data centers, conveyors, food and beverage, EV charging stations, and many more OEM-based applications. Whether you are a system integrator or looking for a cross-reference part that suits your fit, form, and function for seamless integration, Galco has an in-stock selection of Carlo Gavazzi products ready to ship worldwide. To shop our full line of Carlo Gavazzi products, visit us at galco.com.